We're out here at Texas City Dike, about to launch. I'm gonna be riding the FX today, FX Cruiser, Kevin's other ski. He just got out from the shop with a brand new motor.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
What's up, y'all? So we're here. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So we're here at Texas City Dike right now. We're launching. This is the journey, the start off point that we're going to be taking to Lake Charles. It's about 120 miles to get to Lake Charles, but we're going to be taking a little detour to Black Bayou, do some winding, some really nice riding, going some narrow areas, and that'll be like 140 miles. We're gonna go meet everybody at Stingaree right now.
There's about, how many of us right now? 5.
I can't count that high.
Yeah, I can't count that high either. So there's 5 skis right now with us that met us here, and then we're meeting some more skis over there. And then some people are gonna be trailering. See you in a bit. See you there. I feel so much more secure. I love it.
The other one, it's like you move a little bit and it goes.
No, in your mind.
I know.
But that's what counts. It's in your mind.
No, in my mind, the driver, I'm good. Jet skiers. We got 2. I know, I gotta call them. We already picked up 2 in the middle of the water. Let's see where they're at. Let me give them a call. All right, I'm testing out my new ski, as y'all can see. You see my new ski.
It's one of those things you test it before you buy it.
You know, no. I mean, I just drive it and don't pay for it. Yeah. That's the thing.
Right.
Now, we're here at Stingaree picking up everybody. I don't know if you can see them. We're waiting on one more person, and then there's several people going to be meeting us. So there's 11 skis right now.
But there'll be 12.
12. Yeah, you like my new ski? It's my new ski.
Ours?
It's ours. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. This is Kevin's ski. His other ski. Yeah. 11 there. Justin's out there.
It's 11. Look at my damn bitch. Either way is good. I mean, right now, we're that way or which way?
Oh, you're jamming out. Hey, hey. Hey, Carina, what are you doing over there?
Getting wet?
What are you? Why are you hanging off in the rear?
I'm getting wet.
Doesn't seem like it. Well, everybody's just out here
I have to.
peeing right now.
Oh, thanks. So we just finished filling up right here.
Break it.
Gasoline.
We're ready for our second leg.
Second.
I mean, yeah.
Or third.
Thank you, Ken. I'll see you there.
Ooh, aren't you happy you can't smell this?
What? Ooh, it smells.
Yeah,
What's that smell? Is that your legs open?
No.
Is that your legs? We just left Galveston earlier. We're heading to Lake Charles on the jet skis.
Here we go.
Oh look, I gotta go catch up with him. Talk to y'all later. Huh?
It's Daisy Toast.
Are you trying to tan them legs?
Put them Daisy Toast down.
Zigzag twisty round.
Alvian, what are you doing?
Using nature.
Using nature.
Yeah, to pee in.
Oh, you're taking advantage of nature.
No. You gotta pee.
No alligators in Black Bayou, I promise.
All right, we just pulled up to where, Kevin? Where are we, Kevin?
Black Bayou.
Black Bayou. What goes on over here in Black Bayou?
You get bit.
Extremely twisty, extremely flat, and we're gonna go very fast.
Very, very fast. I'll call dibs on second.
Close enough to see their weights, you know which way to turn. If you get lost out there, you're done.
I'm done.
You're alligator food.
Alligator food.
Alligator food.
I have phone
Alligator
GPS.
shit.
It's Black Bayou time. Look at her. She's so fancy with her GPS and shit. So fancy.
do a head count. Make sure you leave it in there.
Dang, we just ran out of gas. Look how close we are. Look how close. Shit. Kevin goes, yeah, you're gonna make it. You know how long ago the light went on?
I mean, you knew how long the light was.
It was before I told you too.
Hey, that was a pretty good estimated guess.
I know you've got like a couple hundred yards.
Oh, look at Carina. So we just refueled right now. Now we're on to the Golden Nugget. And I've got my own driver. Oh, shit. Now they know where to hold on. I gotta hold on to her. We made it! We made it!